Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best push-up stands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Perfect Fitness Perfect Push-Up Elite. The Perfect Fitness Push-Up Elite offers an extra challenge that engages your core and other stabilizer muscles. This makes it a good option for advanced trainers who want an extra challenge from their push-up workout. Design. The Perfect Fitness Push-Up Elite features a flat circular base with solid handles on top. The handles rotate as you perform a push-up, providing a level of instability that engages the whole of your body. There is also an inbuilt resistance to the rotating motion to provide even greater workout tension. Value for money. The Push-Up Elite can be purchased for around $25. This represents very good value for money for a set of bars that is sturdy, dependable, and that offers increased intensity through the rotational aspect of the handles. Build quality. The Push-Up Elite is made from heavy-duty plastic materials. It features an internal ball-bearing system that allows the handles to rotate as you perform the exercise. Thick grooved foam runs the entire length of the handle. The maximum weight capacity of these bars is 400 pounds. Pros: rotating handles, sturdy construction, thick handle grips. Cons: no curved edges for better ergonomic feel. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cap Barbell pair of push-up bars. The Cap Barbell push-up bars are an excellent piece of equipment that delivers great push-ups at an excellent price. These bars are sturdy, stable, ergonomically designed, and beautifully finished in chrome. Design. Cap Barbell push-up bars are ergonomically designed to reduce stress on the wrist, elbows, and hands. The gentle curvature of the gripping handle allows for a natural hand position as you perform your push-ups. These bars allow for 5 inches of floor space. This provides enough room to fully stretch the pectoral muscles on the bottom portion of the push-up exercise. The thick foam grips provide hand comfort and prevent the bars digging into the hands, even when you're doing high repetitions. These Cap Barbell push bars are chrome-plated to produce a high-quality finish that looks great. Value for money. The Cap Barbell bars can be purchased for under $20. This represents exceptional value for bars that are fully steel-constructed, ergonomically designed, and come with thick padding. Build quality. The Cap Barbell push-up bars are constructed from heavy-duty steel, on both the feet and the U-handles. They also feature hard rubber non-slip foot pads to hold the bars in place. Pros: chrome-plated, slip-resistant end caps, heavy-duty steel construction, thick foam padding, lightweight. Cons: no twist or rotational features for added intensity. Number 3. Our third best pick is Juperbsky Push-Up Stands Bars Parallettes set for workout exercise. The Juperbsky push-up stands are some of the best push-up bars because they are extremely durable. They can support up to 2,200 pounds worth of weight and you can perform numerous types of workouts with them, including gymnastics, handstands and V-sits. They come in 5 different color options to fit any home gym. These push-up stands are a very unique pair of press-up bars compared to other options. They are very high up off of the floor, 5 inches, which increases the number of exercises that you do on them. They are 12 inches long and 7 inches wide, and they weigh 7 pounds combined. You can also get them in a slightly larger size, but the 12x7 option is the most popular. Just like any workout gear, the Juperbsky push-up stands have some cons, like the fact that it doesn't include a workout manual to give you a rundown of the possible exercises. I'm not loving that they don't break down into smaller pieces, so they're not the best option if you plan on traveling with your push-up bars. Pros: extremely durable steel construction, adhere to the floor well. Grips are comfortable to hold. Can handle numerous types of workouts, including gymnastics. Cons: large and heavy, not very portable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is JFIT Pro Push-Up Bar Stand and padded handles for secure grip. These metal push-up bars are meant for intermediate and advanced trainers. The handle sits higher, which is why it is suitable for gymnasts who want to do dips and handstands. Features: it has a full metal frame that can withstand years of use. It offers 9 clearance from the ground, so you can perform deeper workouts. The foot bars have neoprene caps that prevent skidding and slipping. Assembly is pretty easy. You just need to tighten 2 screws. No tools needed. Cheap in price but not in quality. It is small in size but they are quite adequate. Incredibly simple to put together and you can take them anywhere for a quick, interesting and fun workout. What we like about it, as mentioned, you don't need any tool to assemble it or dismantle it. All you need to do is to twist the screws. So, it is suitable for people who travel a lot. They are lightweight and portable. Comes with 2 years warranty. Things that could be improved: the foot bars are connected with just 1 screw each. Now, when you are doing handstand, this could make you feel nervous. Obviously, it is difficult to rely on just 1 screw. But most buyers have stated that they are happy with the products and haven't experienced any safety issues. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is JBM Perfect Muscle Push-Up Bars Stands Handles Aid Equipment. The JBM Perfect Muscle Push-Up Bars are on the list of the best push-up bars because they are high in quality, yet lightweight and affordable. The handles are padded for additional comfort, and they are durable while also weighing just 1.3 pounds. They can be fully broken down, which makes these push-up grips easy to take with you when you travel. Yes, you can get in some quick push-up bar exercises in the comfort of your hotel room. These come in several different color combinations, including black, blue, orange, and black and blue, and black and red. This makes for a very interesting addition to your home gym, and if you opt for a brightly colored option, you'll never lose these bad boys. Even though they don't technically have rotational features or angle adjustments, the JBM bars can be gripped at a number of different angles. This allows you to work out more than 1 muscle group in each workout session. The main flaw is that these push-up bars can only withstand around 225 pounds worth of pressure, so if you're above that weight, you'll have to look elsewhere. Pros: come in many colors, which adds some whimsy to your workout. Made of high-quality polypropylene. Lightweight and easy to carry around. Coated in slip-resistant rubber. Fully break down for even more portability. Cons: low weight capacity compared to others. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.